Hello everyone, this is out of the box unboxings, and in today's episode I'm going to share with you my experience with a Parkside Cordless drill 16 volts. On the beginning, I have to admit I'm very happy about this device. It's very good value for the money. I was working quite a lot with it, so it's also, you might say, it's a long term test, because actually I'm using it for almost 2 years, and really I'm happy that I have bought it. So if you don't want to watch whole this movie, really I can, my advice is, if you want to, buy it and you will be happy. But there is always something to complain about, and the first thing, it's capacity of those of this battery. On the beginning it was working very long time, but I have spotted that when I start to really use it, it starts to be the capacity of batteries fell down significantly. So this is the first part, but you can tell, but you can say that okay, it's something standard with what's happening with batteries, but no. In this particular case, in my opinion, the capacity of the battery fell down quite too fast, and it's unbelievable, in my opinion, how it fell down. Second thing, which is in my opinion not so great, you can see this button and the rubber on this button start to, or those chips fell down, and actually it happened really after 15 minutes of using it, so very fast. But since then it's still remaining, so, and I was working a few hours with this drill, so let's say in my opinion it's decent, but it could be better. What is good in this drill? 2 gears, and you actually can feel it's adding value to your work. Actually, I was also positively surprised by this pin that has been included in the with this drill, but actually after a few hours of working it fell down, so I have to scrap it. Regarding pins, I have bought this case separately, and I'm also very happy about quality. Maybe even more happy because of the standard pin, because I was not it was no need to use this before, but okay. Let me show what is most commonly used. This one, it's a PZ or PH, I don't remember, it's PZ2. Really no damage. Only thing what is, let's say, happening is this, it's after a while when the dust is going here, sometimes it's stuck, but it's nothing special. Just it's enough when you blow some air and it will come back to the original state. And by the way, I think it was not the lid didn't that on purpose, but it fits exactly here, so I'm even more happy about that. So it's always near to my drill and I can use it whenever I want. Okay, And on the end, the case, really nice. It's not stinky, plastic, quite decent quality. So in my opinion, if you want to spend around 30 euros, 35 on such drills, buy it. But actually recently I didn't saw this in Lidl, because they are focusing more on 12 volts and 20 volts devices, and something which is in between, like 14, 16, and there was also 18, and actually 18 is the most common on the market. I don't know why, but it is not supporting this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.